Hello everyone, welcome back to Just Invest Today. And today I sold two stocks to buy more of two stocks that I already own because the market is going crazy. It's insane right now. I had to sell Google, I had to sell Berkshire Hathaway. I didn't even want to sell these companies because I still believe in the future of Google and Berkshire Hathaway, but it's getting out of hand at this point. The stocks that I own keep going lower and lower and lower for no reason whatsoever. I'm going to tell you about these stocks. I'm going to reveal them to you because honestly, I think you should probably buy them. That's not financial advice. This is what I'm doing, but it just doesn't make sense. This market is insane. So before we get into it, guys, can you please like this video and subscribe to my channel? I'm always providing you guys with so much new content. Click that like button, click that subscribe button right now. So the first stock that I end up buying more is JD.com. JD.com has been falling hard ever since January 2023. This stock has been falling like crazy from $60 all the way to $27. Like, what is happening? And this is off the back of actually the revenue going up for JD.com. This previous quarter was actually good. The net income and the free cash flow margins are improving. So it just doesn't make sense why this company is dropping so hard. In order for me to buy more JD.com, I actually had to sell Google and Berkshire Hathaway because I was actually up on these positions, almost like 35% on both of these positions. So my philosophy is that even though I like these going forward, Google and Berkshire Hathaway, one of my stocks is getting severely cheap for no reason. It keeps getting lower. So I'm going to take those profits. So I see something that's more undervalued. So I'm going to take my profits off those companies and put into something that's more than 50% discount. So I'm seeing JD.com as a 50% discount at this point because Morgan Stanley and Citigroup analysts just came out and just lowered the guidance for JD.com. So that basically crashed the stock 8%. And then it crashed another 5% because there's rumors of the chairman actually getting arrested, which are actually false. They came out and said that's false news. That's not what's happening. Even on that false news, the stock didn't even recover when JD.com said that this is not true. It still didn't recover. So that's what I'm seeing in the market right now. And when these opportunities come, you have to take it because it's just showing signs of how the market reacts to false news from random downgrades from Morgan Stanley and Citigroup. So all the banks came together and just downgraded JD.com altogether. Jefferies came out and downgraded from their price target of $97 to $80. Half of the market cap of JD.com, the $46 billion, is in cash. They have around net cash around like 29-30 billion. That's not including like 8 billion in long-term investments. So just look at what the market is presenting us with this crazy opportunity to buy JD.com with a huge moat, growing margins, growing revenue, just everything lined out perfectly for us just to wait for this huge rebound that's going to come eventually. So that was my very first buy for today. My second buy was DQ. This is more of like an underground company that a lot of people are not talking about. It sells material for the solar panels. So that's going to be a stock that probably a lot of people are not going to buy into. I think the forecast of solar going crazy. This is a low cost producer. It has more cash on the balance sheet than what the company is worth in market cap. So I see everything going in the right direction for this company. But again, everyone's going to talk about China, the China risk, blah, blah, blah. Guys, can you tell me how PDD and BYD are at such high multiples that are so expensive if it's the China risk? Please tell me why. How is PDD making new highs? How is BYD still at a high or good multiple right now? If the China risk was there, people would sell all of PDD and all BYD. They wouldn't care about the business if it was truly all about China risk. So can you please explain that for the people that are saying, oh, it's in China, you're not going to get your money, blah, 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 blah. Doesn't make sense. So guys, what do you think about this video? Like, what are you doing with this huge opportunity for JD.com? I feel like it's insane. Like you should just be buying, man. Like, this is such an easy play for me. Like, I'm just gonna look back at this video and say this was like the easiest buy. This is the same buy I did with Facebook when it went down all the way to $80. Man, this is the exact same play I'm seeing. Like, I can't, and I feel like this is almost better than Facebook. But guys, that's just my opinion. Like and subscribe to my video. Peace.